Hello guys, Elrod's here, and as you can see, we unlocked Golden Hills, and I don't think it has ever taken this long for somebody to answer one question. Isabel, what are you? Okay, anyways, I bought this Valentine's Day stuff because although this does work, it's not Valentine's Day. So yeah, we're just gonna get on my old tack though, because I don't know, that just doesn't look good. I'm gonna put on a bit of sound so you can see what kind of sounds it has to offer. Let me get on my saddle pad and my libros. And I'm sorry about my backpack. Try to ignore it. I tried to put some of the quest stuff away, but yeah. One thing I don't get is why is all this stuff like that color? I really hate it. Anyways, I almost have everything. Whoa, we got a new place! Eastglade. Nice. Oh wow. Jasper's Pumpkin Farm? Whoa! What? I thought that Jasper lived way up. And an old trailer? Geez, that's probably not gonna work for a little while. I wonder where like, oh, there's the champion. I wonder how long. Dang it, no champions here. But guys, this means one more championship we can go to, and that means we almost have every championship except for the New Hillcrest Championship. Wait, is that Golden Leaf Stables? Yeah, that's Golden Leaf Stables, and that's Cape West. And I have a quest up there in Cape West. I want to go to Golden Leaf Stables, but first, I wish Golden Hills Valley. Oh my god. Golden Hills Valley Championship. There's the riding hall. Wow. This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Hi, Jasper. I didn't know you knew the mystery of Southland had things to do with the pumpkin fun. Oh, what? Follow the golden rush. Wow, guys, this is so cool. Let me also check just that other quest. Speak with Jasper. Checking horse jump. Sprinkler is out of order. Yeah, we need to fix this up. But as you can see, I'm poor because I spent all of my money on little cute little things like these flowers in my main. I'm actually gonna switch back to at least some of my stuff, like the saddle, but not the the bridle, the black bridle. Yeah, putting on the saddle pad because I honestly kind of hate the saddle pad. Sorry, I'm hiccuping. Wow, it's really cool here. We're gonna try not to spend our time questing though, and kind of spend our time galloping and checking things out, but we'll do a quick quest here and there. Uh-oh. And then there's horse jumps down, which means probably soon we'll be able to get a race, which sounds really fun. I'm definitely looking forward to checking out Golden Leaf Stables. Like, Golden Hills is probably I don't know. It's really cool. We're probably not gonna take too long doing quests, but I do want to, like, get some... Oh, good, it's working. I thought it was broken, and I was like, really? I just fixed you. Did a monster come along and break you? And what are these horse jumps? Like, what? This makes no sense. Okay, then another question. I really like these boots, but I think I got the wrong ones because I wanted the Hardy ones, but I clicked on these ones. Luckily, the stuff is not too expensive because, as you know, it's only going to be there for so long. And, yes. Okay, wait. Oh. No, we're just going to explore basically the rest. And I don't know, Star Stable updated the map, but I can't figure out how to take off something. Oh, right, I might have to X this? No. Yeah, you can't really make something not show anymore, but I kind of like the updated version. The only thing, I like how you can see everything, like you can see where the mailboxes are, you can see where the buses are, where the trailers are, but I think that it should definitely, sorry, let me try to think of words. What am I trying to say? Ella, no. I can't speak anymore. It's a revolution. Right, I think that the only thing that I would not like for it to change, okay, is that, the little fuzzy thing when you're doing a quest. But wow, we need to take a picture of this. And I'm gonna put it in my Golden Hills picture folder. Oh, Valentine's Day pic. Oh, dang it, I missed the moment. There we go. Oh, there we go. I've got like so many folders for Star Stable pictures, like it's championships, and it's like, what? It's just too much. Wow, we actually don't have that much time left. By the way, shout out to Rebecca Deersmith. I watch her videos, she watches my videos. She does great videos, and check out her channel right now. After you're done watching my video, it's just Rebecca spelled R-E-B-C-A, Deer, D-E-R, right, S-M-I-T, okay. No, don't add the okay, no, sorry, it's R-E-B-C-A for Rebecca, and then space D-E-E-R-S-M-I-T-H. Yeah, if you want to know how to spell it. Oof, I almost ran into that pole. So yeah, that's her name, that's her channel name. That's not her name. I don't think so, at least. I don't really care what her name is. It's not my business. Yes, I've been wanting them to add more Jorvik City, like, little things. Oh, wow. I'm just very good at crashing into things. Wow. We're gonna have to check out some of these stores, guys. We've got some little stores. Not the nicest stuff, to be quite honest. Yeah, we're not gonna... Wow, yeah. Nope. Okay, most importantly, the star of this video, we're going to go to Golden Leaf Stables, because I've been wanting to check it out for so long. I've seen it, and it seems like it has such nice jumping courses, and wow, this is a really hard to explore? Ask at the local stables. That seems to be like it. Ride to North over the bridge to Golden Leaf Stables. So that's only because like I'm going there anyways. And plus I want to have some quests there when I get there. Because I really want to maybe even get that race. Okay, where's the bridge? I find it slightly weird that we have to take a bridge all the way to Golden Leaf Stables. Hey, there's another person here. Oh my god. Wait, I want to tell them. Wait. Oops. You are in a video. LOL. I like to annoy people. Don't question me. Wow. Okay, wow. First of all, wow. What? No. This no sound you're hearing is me being stunned, by the way. Whoa, and there's the white Hanoverian. I'm gonna get the white Hanoverian. I think that the next HOG, Horses of Yorvik, race they should make is definitely one for the oh my god, I can't. The Frisian. They have literally taken over the world. Oh, the tractors are less expensive than I expected them to be. Some of these new horses, they're way less expensive than I thought they would be. Well, not new, but... Wow, and this one's all black. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna stop looking at horses because I really shouldn't even be thinking about horses with the low amount of star coins I have. Well, I've got more than I thought I would have. I have almost enough to buy a horse. Oh, but where are my jumps? I guess we have to do a quest to get the jumps up. And wow, there's a trailer, and it's one of those really special trailers. Oh my god, I really need to make a part 2 of this very soon. I can't even... What? I can't even... keep up the coasting, hang up the light, boys, both. Collect arbitron. Okay. That's not what it said. It didn't say blah blah. Okay. Put these 2 life points. Yep. Yeah, because, like, these look really weird, but it used to be really nice and kind of almost realistic. Oh, fun fact, I hate ships. Like, cruises. Rebecca Deersmith is the same, but, like, it's like, one time I was on a ferry, and I literally had to, like, watch a movie constantly so that I wouldn't worry about the ferry, especially because it was a bit of a rough day. I was, like, so scared, and I felt nauseous standing up. And so it wasn't seasickness, because I guess that a lot of people would guess that, but it was just rocking back and forth with the boat. I didn't like it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Pretty soon we're gonna get, like, races here, and that'll be fun. But we'll join you here next time. By the way, I don't think I'm gonna be changing my stable here anytime soon. But yeah, bye. Let's check if she actually replied. Oh no, nobody replied on that. And nobody replied. Like, I get that she probably has a lot of fans to deal with, but Isabel